The incredible benefits of aloe vera for your hair.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a miracle plant that has been praised for its health benefits for centuries, aloe vera. This plant isn't just great for skin, it's also fantastic for your hair. So let's delve into the benefits of leaving aloe vera in your hair.
What is aloe vera?
Aloe vera is a succulent plant species that originates from the Arabian Peninsula. It's long been used for medicinal purposes, particularly for its soothing and healing properties. The gel within its leaves is what we commonly use for skin and hair treatments. Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, all of which can provide amazing benefits for your hair.
How does aloe vera benefit your hair?
Moisturizing properties. Firstly, aloe vera is incredibly hydrating. Its high water content makes it an excellent moisturizer. Applying aloe vera gel to your hair helps lock in moisture, preventing dryness and breakage. Promotes hair growth. Secondly, it promotes hair growth. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Scalp health. Next, aloe vera benefits your scalp health by reducing dandruff and unblocking hair follicles which could be blocked by excess oil. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe and heal a variety of scalp conditions. Maintains pH balance. Lastly, aloe vera helps maintain the pH balance of your hair. A balanced scalp pH can foster healthier, stronger hair, reducing problems like breakage and thinning.
How to use aloe vera on your hair?
You can use either pure aloe vera gel straight from the plant or buy it from a store. Apply the gel to your scalp and hair, leave it in for about an hour, and then rinse it off. You can also leave it in your hair overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Just make sure to do a patch test first to ensure you're not allergic. So, there you have it. Aloe vera truly is a wonder plant for your hair. It hydrates, promotes growth, improves scalp health, and balances pH. Do give it a try and experience the benefits yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, your hair deserves the best.